So you saw that someone was giving away a free Lightroom preset. So you hasten to the download link to grab the files. Heart pounding, you anxiously wait for the download to finish. And what seemed like an eternity later, finally, the download finishes and this feeling overcomes you. A sense of euphoria, if you will. You have your very first preset for Lightroom. But how do you install it? Hey guys, it's Mark, hope you're doing well. Today we're going to be talking about how to install a Lightroom preset onto your program, whether that's on Lightroom Mobile or Lightroom Desktop. Let's start with the desktop program. If you only have Lightroom Mobile, you can go ahead and skip to this part for that. So first off, we need to know where the download is. For me, that's on my desktop right there. And a desktop Lightroom A desktop Lightroom preset. A desktop Lightroom preset should have the extension .xmp, so it's that one right there. Right here, it's this one, .xmp. Now what I'm going to do is, of course, open up Lightroom. So go ahead and open up Lightroom. Doesn't really matter, either Lightroom Classic or Lightroom CC, doesn't really matter. I'm going to open up Lightroom Creative Cloud. Okay, now that you've opened up Lightroom, what you're going to do is go over here to File, and go search for the words import profiles and presets. In the Lightroom Classic version, you're going to see that it says import develop profiles and presets. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this. I'm looking specifically for the .xmp file, so I'm going to click on that, press import, and that's it. One preset imported. So we're going to head over here to where it says edit, and then go down here to preset, and then you'll see it in the user presets section of the presets. Now, if you guys want to check out how to do it on Lightroom Mobile, first thing you need to do is download the DNG onto your phone. All right, so I have just downloaded the, not the app, but I have just downloaded the DNG onto my iPhone. And sometimes it'll just appear as a blank screen, like no image, there's nothing on it. Don't worry too much about that. What we're going to do is we're going to go open up Lightroom Mobile. And what we're going to do after we open up Lightroom Mobile, which I just did, we're going to add a new photo, specifically the photo that we just downloaded, the DNG. So from camera roll, I'm going to choose the DNG, and I'm going to press the check mark. After you've done that, after you've added the DNG, you're going to press these three dots at the top, and then we're going to select Create Preset. And then you're going to choose whatever it is, Profile, Light, Color, Effects, Detail, and then you're just going to rename it to It's Ravi because, you know, like and subscribe. Here's the great thing about Lightroom Mobile and Lightroom CC, Lightroom Creative Cloud. Once you sync Lightroom CC or Lightroom Mobile to each other, all the presets will actually link together, so they'll just all be in one spot, and all your photos, actually, if you import any photos to your Lightroom Mobile, it'll also appear in your Lightroom CC version. So that's pretty much it for today. I think I stopped the video. Well, that's pretty much it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope that was useful to you guys. If you guys need any clarifications on how to do the Lightroom preset, or if you have any questions about anything really, or if I can help you out with any creative things that you have planned, let me know. Otherwise, leave a like if you like it. Subscribe for more content like this one, and I'll see you guys in the next video.